Welcome back, everyone, to another enlightening episode of Dashcam Lessons. Today, we've got a fresh batch of real-life road footage that's packed with valuable lessons for every driver, whether you're just starting out or have years of experience behind the wheel. Let's start with this clip. A driver tries to beat the yellow light, but things go south fast. Notice how this quick decision nearly causes a major collision. Lesson here: rushing a yellow light is never worth the risk. Anticipate, don't accelerate. Now watch closely. This driver takes their eyes off the road for just a moment. You can already guess what happens next. Texting, adjusting the radio, or even reaching for something. It all counts as distracted driving. A split second is all it takes for things to go wrong. Not all dashcam stories are disasters. Check this one out. A driver shows textbook defensive driving and helps prevent a pileup. This is the kind of behavior we love to see. Patience, awareness, and control. The golden trio of safe driving. All right, folks, let's wrap this up with 3 key takeaways from today's episode. Never gamble on yellow lights. Your phone can wait. Stay focused. Defensive driving can literally save lives. Every trip on the road is a lesson. Whether it's a mistake or a moment of kindness, there's always something to learn. And with dash cams, we can share those lessons to make every driver better. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next road lesson. Got a dashcam clip you want featured? Send it our way. Your footage could help educate thousands. Drive safe, stay alert, and we'll see you next time on Dashcam Lessons.